Assalamualaikum Madam. Today we are going to present mini project presentation 1. My name is Nora Kira Nadia binti Noriza. My matrix number is F1150.
My name is Nishafia binti Muhammad Amin Tawakal. My matrix number is F1120.
My name is Siti Atirah binti Asmawi. My matrix number F.122.
Our project name is Secure Digital Logbook System. So the Secure Digital Logbook is an electronic system for recording, storing and managing log entries securely. It allows students to update and edit their logbook regularly during their internship. Supervisor can review and verify student weekly reports, while lecturer can monitor daily activities. The system ensures efficiency tracking of progress for student, supervisor, and organization. For the logbook system challenge, have a three. For the first is risk of data loss and damage, which is paper logbook can be lost, torn, or misplaced. Second, lack of real-time tracking, which is a supervisor cannot monitor student progress instantly. For the third is no security and audit trail, which is change or update cannot be tracked, leading to possible data manipulation. For the current system overview, is the current internship manual logbook system use a manual paper-based logbook where students record their tasks and supervisors sign them weekly. But it lacks security, chance tracking, efficiency, and remote accessibility, making it difficult to manage and prone to data loss. For the project goals, we have three project goals. For the first is implement a secure digital system, which is to replace paper logbook and prevent data loss or damage. Second is enable real-time log update and notification, so supervisor can track student progress instantly. For the third is to ensure data security and integrity, which is restricting and unauthorized access, tracking modification through audit log, and protecting logbook data with encryption. For the system requirement, we have three. For the first is data management and output. For the point first is student will enter daily log, task description and attendance or working hours. Point two is supervisor can provide feedback and approval. Third, the system will generate weekly summarized activity dashboard, supervisor, remark and performance tracking report. For the system requirement 2 is system workflow, security, control and process. For the point is the system verifies and store log entries in real time, organize them by date and user role, and mark log as missing or overdue. Next, security is enforced through email password authentication, role-based access control, RBAC, and audit trail to track every update or access. Last point is sensitive data is protected through encryption and restrict access based on user roles, which is roles of student, role of supervisor, and roles of admin. For the last of system requirement is performance improvement. The point first is faster access. Faster access quickly retrieve and review entries, report and progress. So report and progress summarized without delay, ensuring efficiency during high use period. Point two is automatic notifications, which is a reminder for students and supervisor about pending update and update or approval. Lastly, the point is better tracking of change, which is allowing supervisor and lecturer to track edits, update and approval in real time. This ensures transparency, accountability, and accurate record keeping.
In our project, we have three data requirements. First is student entries and reports. Second is supervisor comments and approvals. Third is timestamp for each update. For the first is student entry and report. The system must store student daily and weekly internship report digitally to ensure proper tracking. And second, supervisor comments and approval. Supervisor should be able to provide feedback and approve or reject downward entries in the system. Lepas student dah masukkan report diorang ke, dah key in report diorang ke, supervisor boleh check and boleh bagi feedback or reject. Boleh bagi reject juga dalam sistem tu. For third, timestamp for each update, records timestamp for every update, measuring accurate tracking or modification and maintaining a clear activity history. We have a security measure. We have two security. First is two-factor authentication, and second is role-based access. For the two-factor authentication, enhance security by requiring an additional verification step during login. For example, selain pada kata laluan, student boleh juga masukkan kod OTP yang boleh yang hantar dekat telefon atau email. Dia boleh check antara kedua-dua tu untuk dapatkan OTP dan boleh login dari situ. For role-based access, restrict access based on user roles, student roles, supervisor, lecturer to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Contohnya macam pelajar boleh akses logbook diorang, boleh akses logbook diorang sendiri. Lepas tu penyelia atau pensyarah boleh akses laporan setiap pelajar to ensure data integrity and confidentiality. Business process. In our project, pada part in business process is optimizing logbook workflow. Automate workflow. The system should automate the approval process by notifying supervisor when students submit their reports and weekly reminding them of pending approvals. For example, when a student submit a report, the supervisor will automatically receive a notification. The system will also send weekly reminder to supervisor about any pending approvals. This helps ensure faster response and better communication between student and supervisor. In challenge in logbook management, we have three challenges. Manual approvals. We have three challenge in current logbook management system. In current logbook. First is manual approvals. Second is lack of reminder, and third is data security concept. For the first is manual approvals, slow and inefficient causing delays in student progress. Previously, logbook approvals were done manually. This method is often slow and inefficient, which can delay a student progress of evaluation. But the lack of reminders is sometimes students forget to update and submit their notebooks on time because they are no proper reminder. This affects the accuracy and consistency of their internship tracking. And last is data security concern. Risk of misplaced or unauthorized access to logbook records. When logbooks are handled manually or stored without proper protection, there's a higher risk of records being misplaced or accessed by the wrong person. That's why digital system with strong security features are important. The roles of stakeholder, we have three stakeholder. First is students, second is lecturers and supervisor, third is administrator. For the student, they must fill in and submit log entries while processing their log in the system. Student once student ni kena hantar diorang punya report dekat dalam logbook ni, dekat sistem logbook ni. Second, lecturer and supervisor review, evaluate and provide feedback on student logbooks to assess their performance. Contohnya kalau lecturer supervisor ni diorang boleh review semua report yang student hantar kat diorang, dan boleh juga letak lepas student dah hantar tu, diorang boleh juga letakkan feedback dekat student, letak feedback dekat buku logbook tu untuk student. And third is administrator, manage user, monitor system security and maintains audit logs to ensure smooth system operation. Address stakeholder concern. Stakeholder concern, we have three. First is student, second lecturer and supervisor, third is administrator. For the first one is stakeholder concern student. They could find it difficult to adapt to the new system and could be concerned about scalability and reliability. Student ni susah nak adapt atau terima dengan sistem baru ni sebab diorang tak boleh percaya atau diorang tak boleh nak akses benda ni. Terutama jika diorang ada masalah internet. For the lecturers and supervisor, they also struggle with online evaluation of student logbooks and ensuring data accuracy. Lecturer and supervisor ni mungkin hadapi kesukaran untuk nak menilai logbook ni secara dalam talian. Diorang perlu pastikan student ni sentiasa kemaskini report yang diorang hantar, lepas tu diorang perlu hantar pada tepat pada masanya. Third is administrator, should ensure a smooth digital transition by offering technical support and training. Admin ni dia paling mainkan peranan penting sebab diorang perlu pastikan sistem ni sentiasa berjalan dengan lancar. Lepas tu diorang perlu sentiasa sediakan sokongan teknikal dengan latihan ke semua pengguna yang guna sistem ni.
Functional Decomposition Diagram (FDD) for Secure Digital Logbook System. There is 4 functions. First, data storage and backup. Second, user management. Third, logbook management. Fourth, security and access control. For the function data storage and backup, it manages the storage and backup of logbook data. The sub-function under data storage and backup: first, store login MySQL database. It saves log entries in a structured database. Second, generate report. It creates reports based on the store log data. Second, user management. It handles user registration, login and access control. The sub-function under user management is: first, register or login, email and password. It allows users to create accounts and log in. Second, role-based access control, which is admin, student and supervisor. It assigns different permissions based on user roles. Third, logbook management. It facilitates the creation, viewing, editing and approval of logbook entries. The subfunction under logbook management: first, create daily logs. It enables students to document their daily activities. Second, view or edit logs. It allows students to view and modify their log entries. Fourth, security and access control. It ensures the security of the system and control access of the data. The subfunction under security and access control: first, authentication, which is Spring Boot and Java. It verifies user identities using secure method. Second, track log changes audit trail. It maintains a record of changes made to log entries for accountability. So this is the data flow diagram for secure digital logbook system. First, student log in through user authentication, which verifies credentials with the user database. Once authenticated, the student can submit log entries. These entries are stored in the logbook database and sent to audit trail management. Next, supervisor. Supervisor retrieves log entries from the logbook database, reviews them, and either approve or reject them. The review decision is stored in the supervisor database and sent to auditor management. For administrator monitors system activities by accessing audit logs via audit trail management. These logs help track changes and ensure security. All audit data is stored in the audit log database. Overall, the secure digital logbook system improves efficiency by replacing manual logbooks with a secure, automated system, built access control and audit trail. It ensures data security, real-time updates, and better tracking for student, supervisor, and administrator. There is several feature improvement for this system. First, biometric login. It enhances security of the system with fingerprint or facial recognition for authentication. Second, AI-based log analysis. It automates log evaluation to detect patterns and provide insight for supervisor.